In this video, you will see how to give access to your Meta Business Manager as an employee access or a limited access. So you will be adding people to your Meta Business Manager, but you will be giving them limited access so they can perform the duties as expected. So in order to do so, go to your Meta Business setting or Business Manager. If you have multiple Business Manager, make sure you are in the right one. So you will come to Users on the left tab, then you will come to People. Then you will click on Invite People. Over here, enter the email address who you want to give access to. So this is an example email address. After that, click Next. And then this will be turned on as basic. This will be off. This will be off. Click Next. So new page experience, give access to your page. And then what is the access you want to give that person? So you will not be giving this because it's got full control. So you can give this partial access. So this person can post content, engage the community, message people, do ads, see the reports, etc. After that, go on the left, classic page, there is nothing. Add account. If you have multiple ad account, click on the right ad account. And after that, give them the permission that is necessary. Don't click invite yet. We will come to that later on. If you have catalogs, select the catalog and then give access. If you want to give access to apps, if necessary, please do that. Facebook pixel is blank. Instagram access, and then don't click full control. If you want them to do ads, create campaign, see results and stuff, give this access. In the dataset, select the right pixel. After that, give partial control. And now you can click invite. So once you have invited that person will get an email from Meta. They have to go into the email, click the blue button. They will be redirected to a business manager page. They will have to enter their name, password, and they will be redirected to this page. So once you give this person access, this person will get an email from Meta. He or she have to click on that button, enter their full name, password, and that person will be redirected over here. And that person can do the task that is necessary from them. If you have liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see similar content on Meta and Instagram campaigns, consider subscribing to the channel.